Okay, another question. What SEO tasks have you successfully automated recently using AI or MCP with AI integration setups that genuinely save you time without hurting quality? I'm gonna have to think about this for a quick second because I feel like compared to a lot of SEOs, specifically in the last couple of years, right? I've been less likely to automate my SEO through AI. I felt like early on, I'm always a late adopter. I'm not gonna lie. I stick to my recipes that I know work. And usually they've got broad scope to them, so they'll keep working, even if I've got to fine tune some stuff later on. So when I saw like a bunch of people coming in, they're automatically playing with programmatic content, um etc. It became something that I wasn't too interested in. However, over the last year I have integrated my own system, right? So like we built in-house systems by which essentially we've created our own LLM that can digest data, then bring something new to the table whenever creating content is what we're trying to do. And then we can spit that out, automatically syndicate it to some websites in our networks. I don't openly use this across like client sites and networks like SirLinksalot, where I'd want, I wouldn't want to put it in a position of even like kind of getting slapped, right? So uh, it's to a minimum, and I can't say that it's like experimental because it's more than that, but I'm still pretty hesitant to it. And then if you go to kpi.me, something else we've structured over there would be how you digest analytics. And we've created specifically for LLMs our own crawlers that go out, digest information based on queries that might get used in LLMs based on what we'd want to see your brand for. And then that, brings you that analytic data up, how many times you got mentioned by what LLMs, etc. So from an analytics standpoint, that can be used pretty well. But we've got that automated through kpi.me. Something else, I don't know if I'd really consider it AI, but like, you can edit. If I'm really quick to move in, I might, well, I guess one thing is like, since I'm kind of the face of a lot of this, I'll use it for posts here and there. But I feel like you still have to bring your own personal authenticity into it in order for it to get actual reach. Um, if I take this question and I think about automating too much, it does hurt quality. Even from like a philosophical standpoint of like, I can see now how many posts go up that are just pure AI slop, video, text, you name it. And I feel like it takes away from the goal set that business or company would initially have, because humans, while we, like convenience, we're drawn to authenticity as well. And I think that'll make you more potent as a business, to be more authentic. So, if you are going to use AI to automate parts of your business, then I would keep it to majority of it you're digesting the information that it gives you, and then you're taking an analytical approach to what you're doing with that information versus making it completely programmatic. Yeah, outside of that, I'm like, I definitely use human equity still more than AI, at least at this point in time. So yeah, not very much here. However, there are some people that focus on programmatic SEO heavily with the use of AI in our group SEO Roundtable on Facebook. I recommend popping in there and asking questions about this. Some of them might be happy to help with some of these ideas. For me, again, I'm slow to move on new hot ticket items until I see that they've been vetted and they're working with, again, longevity in mind. That's just my preference on building. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to give us a like, drop a comment, subscribe, so you don't miss out on any future SEO insights. And hey, If you're serious about your rankings, head over to SirLinksalot.co, check out our premium link building services, guides, and free SEO tools. See you next time.